Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Pado once again, returning to our special coverage on Tropical Storm Pepito. And it has now an international name known as Saudel. And this is for Tuesday evening, October 20, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest fast animation on Tropical Storm Pepito, which is just a few hours before making landfall. It's now intensifying as it moves closer along the coastal areas of Aurora province. So landfall is any moment from now, maybe as we speak. There could be a possibility that it already made landfall or later around 11 or 10 o'clock this evening. So you could see as the system approached Central Luzon, there has been some expanding thunderstorm circulation around this weather system, and it's been affecting most parts of central and northern Luzon with scattered to widespread rain showers and thunderstorms. Rain showers of moderate to heavy to at times intense rainfall. While here over the Bicol region, we could see some clearing of the circulation, which is good news for the Bicolanos. Some clear weather is now experienced during the past 6 hours, and tomorrow we could see some sunshine as the system exits towards the West Philippine Sea. But over Metro Manila and part of the rest of Luzon, there could be some improvement of the weather probably on Thursday. And here's the zoom in satellite animation. You can see the very dark maroon cloud tops of Tropical Storm Pepito, bringing some heavy downpour in major parts of northern and central Luzon. So there could be flooding, possible flooding in low-lying areas, and flash floods as well. And also some high risk of landslides or mudslides, which may happen in mountainous areas. So please take all necessary precautions, because the system has slowed down just a little bit, but still moving at 20 to 22 kph, nearing the landfall area between Baler and Casiguran. We will show you now the radar shot from Pag-asa mosaic Doppler system. So here's Baler. So that's the eye as of no, actually that's not an eye, it's just the center with a hook. Okay, southern quadrant hook of developing wall of thunderstorms. So it's the early stages of an eye wall. So this around 5:46. As we move this radar animation, you can see here the center approaching the areas of Aurora. Okay, approaching Aurora province, and probably it will make landfall somewhere here along San Ildefonso or just to the south of that area. So the landfall is in between Baler and Casiguran. Maybe around that's around let me see, that's around 9. So any moment from now, between 9 to 10, landfall is possible here. And there are changes on the forecast track, so the system might track here and then move towards the west, exiting the Lingayen Gulf early tomorrow morning. So it will reorganize quickly there as it moves towards the west-northwest during the past 3 hours. So there has been some changes on the tracks as well as the computer models. We'll give you the latest around 12 midnight on our advisory number 7. So either way, whether the storm will pass over Baler or near Casiguran, the effects is somewhat large. These are strong, heavy rains with some gusty winds. So please take all necessary precautions. As you can see, this storm is bringing lots of rainfall right now across most parts of Luzon, except the Bicol region and southern Tagalog. So this is the track around 5 p.m. So the shift of the forecast might be moving this way, okay? So we might adjust the track towards that direction around 11 p.m. So watch out for that at 11 p.m. or around midnight. Here's the latest Asian tracks of all agencies. You can clearly see here that the system will track across Aurora and Quirino and moving towards the northern portions of Nueva Vizcaya into Benguet and out into Pangasinan. So that will be the track of the new track, So it's like back to the 24-hour forecast 24 hours ago. So this is the Typhoon Global Model. So you can see here that there are some changes on the track. So the system will now pass here. Okay. So far, that's the quick update for Weather TV update. Please take all necessary precautions for possible heavy rains that could produce flash floods, landslides, and mudslides along the path of Tropical Storm Pepito. Let's hope and pray you're all okay and fully prepared on this weather system. So we'll again return tomorrow evening for the latest on Tropical Storm Pepito. By tomorrow evening, the system might be over the West Philippine Sea or South China Sea already, and we will give you again the latest for tomorrow evening. So from Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Pado reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and thank you for watching our YouTube channel.